Welcome to my CyberTech-VB channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to find copyright-free videos on YouTube for your creative projects. In order to do so, first of all, open your internet browser and go to youtube.com. I will provide a link down below this video to youtube.com. And in the search field, type a word or a phrase describing the video that you are looking for. For the purposes of this video, I decided to look for wild birds. Type wild birds, for example, and click on the search button, and another page will open with videos about wild birds. In order to find copyright-free videos, at the right top corner, click on Filters, and in the new window, scroll down and find Creative Commons. Click on Creative Commons, and then the new list or new page with the videos will be Creative Commons licenses videos. That means that you can use them. They're copyright free, or at least they require attribution to the content owners. For example, let's click on this one, and you can see it is a beautiful video, and even in the description it says that it's royalty free, no copyright, free download. This is not that important. The important thing is to read the license here. It says Creative Commons Attribution License, and reuse is allowed. Creative Commons license means that the creator of the video content is granting the entire YouTube community the right to reuse and edit that video content. Attribution, though, the word attribution in this description means that you have to provide proper attribution to the video owner in your new project. By following this procedure, you can easily find and use Creative Commons videos on YouTube while respecting the rights of the video owners and creators. In order to download the video, you have to subscribe to YouTube Premium services, or probably you can use similar services to download the videos. But the best way is just to subscribe to YouTube Premium service. And that's all about finding copyright-free videos on YouTube. I hope this video will be useful to you. If you like it, click on subscribe and like buttons. And thank you for watching, and I wish you a nice and pleasant day.